Hello, we're excited to show you our native speech capabilities. Every month we walk into a Kiryana shop with hope and walk out calculating every rupee. This is not a drama, this is real life. Today you will watch a real conversation between a customer and a Kiryana shopkeeper. The kind of conversation we hear every day. Simple English, daily use sentences, and English that you can actually speak.
So without wasting time, let's get started. Hello.
Hello, how can I help you?
I have come to buy monthly groceries.
Okay, please tell me one by one.
First, give me 10 kilos of flour.
Do you want local flour or branded flour?
Local flour is fine.
All right. Anything else?
Yes, give me 3 kilos of sugar.
Just to inform you, sugar prices have increased again.
I know. Every time I come, prices are higher.
True. It's difficult for everyone these days.
Okay. I also need cooking oil.
Which brand do you usually use?
The cheaper one.
Okay. This one is economical for daily use.
How much is it per liter?
It's 300 rupees per liter.
Give me 2 liters then.
All right. Now what?
I also need lentils.
Which lentils? Red lentils or chickpea lentils?
Chickpea lentils 1 kilo.
Fresh stock arrived this morning, so don't worry.
That's good. I don't like old stock.
Yeah, sure. Quality's good.
Give me tea leaves as well.
Okay, let me know strong tea or mild tea.
Strong. Everyone at home drinks tea a lot.
I understand.
Add 1 pack of milk powder.
Small pack or large pack?
Small pack is fine.
Okay, all right.
I need biscuits and chocolates for the kids.
Which biscuits do they like?
Simple one, not too expensive.
Okay, sure.
Also give me salt, red chili powder and turmeric.
Small packets or large packets?
Small packets.
Okay, sure.
By the way, why are prices increasing so fast?
Because of fuel prices, transport costs, and inflation.
People think shopkeepers earn a lot.
That's not true. Profit margins are very small.
I understand now.
Thanks. Let me calculate your bill.
Please calculate carefully.
Sure, don't worry. Your total bill is rupees 2000.
It's higher than last month.
Yes, unfortunately, prices have gone up.
All right. Here is the money.
Thank you. Here is your change and receipt.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Please come again.
Inshallah. Take care.
If you learned even one new English sentence from today's dialogue, then this video was worth it. Remember, English is not difficult. You just need daily practice and real-life examples, just like this grocery shop conversation. So don't stop here. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with someone who wants to improve their English. We learn English step by step together. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Allah ki aman.